think our program here in Chile was wonderful. We got to meet people that were coaches, we got to meet soccer players, now we've met some young girls in a high school that weren't athletes, and then now we just got to coach a girls team. So we're touching every little part that we can, and we're spreading the mission of the embassy. We think is empowering people, whether it's sports, whether it's what have you, is, you know, go after more.
Very, very successful, and the people here have been my favorite thing of all. Everybody's so welcoming and genuine and nice. It's just been wonderful.